Hello everybody and welcome back to Mark for Future's International Day. We're going to be coming back to Japan. In this project we're going to be making Onigiri, a Japanese rice dish. Students are going to use these cute little custom-made templates here. We're going to pop one open. Maybe if I could get one open. There we go. And we're going to pack it full of rice. And then we're going to take it out and we're going to wrap it up with seaweed. And we're going to have a nice snack afterwards. Alright, Darren's going to give you a little more detail.
Yeah, so the onigiri here is something that Japanese parents normally show their children at an early age. So possibly in America we would show a child to cook or make or brew something different. And in the UK we would ask our children to cook, maybe help baking, create a salad or brew something, normally a cup of tea. But in Japan it would be the rice ball, seaweed and possibly egg or shrimp onigiri. So let's see what our students will be doing here this morning.
Alright, so let's stop filming and wrap it up. Alright.
To England. Let's go to England.